Welcome in this new video series of how to draw line, circle and ellipse. And in this first video, we will understand how line, circle and ellipse plays important role in any type of drawing. So before starting a video, if you are new to this channel, then please like and subscribe to the channel and please press that bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video about the art, you will get the notification. So let's get started. As I told in the beginning of this video, it is very important for any artist to understand the importance of line, circle and ellipse. And to explain this in detail, I will take the example of this beautiful landscape picture. Now I want you to please observe this picture very carefully. Just observe how that house is made and how that trees are behind this house. Then the river is flowing behind this house, right? And now just observe near to this house how that house is made up with the help of small strokes, right? So that horizontal lines, then slanting lines are there, and that all strokes make complete that home, right? So like that, every picture is made up of the strokes. Same way, now just observe this beautiful picture of the Mickey Mouse. Just observe the hat of that Mickey Mouse, the smile of that Mickey Mouse. It is made up of the strokes, right? So same way, every drawing, every type of drawing is made up of the strokes. You take the example of this toy, or you take the example of the product design, or even the fashion design. So any type of drawing is made up of the strokes. Now, what are the different types of strokes that plays the role in any type of drawing? So there are three types of strokes, and very first type is the lines. And now you can see on the screen how the lines plays important role in that curve. So just observe how the shoulder line is flowing from start of the car to the end of the car, and then there are many lines in that complete car, right? So apart from the line, now the second type of stroke is the circle. And to understand the circle, now observe the wheels of that car, and that wheels are made up of the circle, right? And apart from the circle, the third type of the stroke is that the stroke of the ellipse. And to understand this, I will take the example of this car, which you have seen earlier. The same car stands in an angle, and now you observe the wheels of that car. So whenever you see circle from the angle, it always look like an ellipse, and that's why it is very important to have to practice line, circle and ellipse for improving your drawing. Now I will take the example of portrait drawing. So now you can see on the screen that how that portrait drawing we used to do. So for that we use construction lines, right? So now you observe on left top column that how that construction lines are made up of the circle. And the same way, now observe the right top corner of that picture, how the ellipse used for creating the construction line at the center. And now at the bottom left, how that ellipse used. So same way, it is very important for artists to practice line, circle and ellipse. In my artwork also, I practice and I use those strokes, lines, circle and ellipse. Now you can see on screen how that circles used to create the eyes of that mandrill, and how I use the strokes. The same way how I use ellipse to make or build the leg of that frog. So that's why it is very important to practice line, circle and ellipse with the right techniques. So in the next video, I am going to share some of my techniques which will help you to draw perfect line, circle and ellipse. So see you in the next video. So till the time, happy sketching and bye bye.